Look at this dense canopy. These forests are the active lungs of our planet, breathing so the rest of the Earth can thrive. Thousands of years before we understood the science of climate systems, Genesis 2:15 defined our role. The Lord God put man in the garden to work it and take care of it. We are called to be active caretakers. To fulfill that mandate and protect this planet, we must understand the mechanics of how this creation actually operates. Here is a tree's engine, photosynthesis. It pulls heat-trapping carbon dioxide from the air, breathing out fresh oxygen. Trees physically store that carbon. Particles travel down the trunk, converting into mass, locking carbon tightly inside the wood and deep roots. An entire living forest operates as a massive vault. It holds millions of tons of carbon safely inside its structure, keeping the global temperature balanced. Look at this aerial view. Human expansion is carving sharp, unnatural scars straight through the Earth's lungs. This is deforestation. We're bulldozing thousands of miles of woodland to make room for cattle grazing, enormous soy farms, mining operations, and sprawling cities. It is not just bulldozers. Severe droughts and poor land mismanagement lead to uncontrolled wildfires that burn through entire landscapes. Clearing land at this scale eliminates local wildlife habitats and fractures the global climate balance we were assigned to protect. Let's look at the mechanics of this damage. When a tree is chopped down, we lose a natural vacuum cleaner. The active absorption of new carbon dioxide stops immediately. Then, when that wood rots or burns, the vault cracks open. All the carbon that the tree stored over decades is violently dumped right back into the sky. This is a climate double whammy. We destroy our best defense system and simultaneously flood the atmosphere with years of trapped carbon. Look at this dead patch of land next to the river. Without deep tree roots to hold the ground together, soil erodes into the water, rainfall patterns dry up, and habitats disappear. Let's pause to test what we've covered. Pause the video right now. Write down 2 causes of deforestation and define the double disaster of carbon release in your own words. Taking an honest look at this destruction is uncomfortable, but we have to face the physical reality of the problem before we can step up and fix it. Welcome back. Check your notes. The double disaster is the loss of future carbon absorption combined with the sudden release of all historically stored carbon. Our mandate to take care of the garden includes the power of restoration. All around the world, initiatives like 1 trillion trees are getting hands in the dirt to plant new saplings. When we replant forests, we create millions of brand new vacuum cleaners. As these young trees grow, they actively pull excess heat-trapping carbon back down out of the sky. Global warming can be fought, provided we stop treating nature as an endless commodity and start treating it as a sacred gift to be managed. Let's lock in the facts. Trees keep our climate balanced by storing carbon. Deforestation breaks that vault. Replanting forests heals the lungs of the Earth. Which brings us to a crucial question. What is the point of being smart and supposedly educated if we continue to make bad choices that hurt? The Heroes Mart Academy Godly Learner series intertwines biblical morality with education, because education without morality will hurt. Applying God's wisdom to our knowledge empowers us to heal. Romans 8:6-7 promises peace of mind to everyone who keeps his or her mind spiritual. As you care for creation with a spiritual mind, you will experience that peace.